Good morning, class 9. How are you guys doing? Hi, Panda, Pranjali, Bindu, Aman, and Anish. I remembered your name. And what else? Forgetting some names. Is there any Priyanshu there? Yes, maybe. One knows. But anyways, hi and hello to all of you. I hope you guys are all doing fine. And I just want to tell you again, repeat, enjoy your monsoons and have fun and do your holiday homework also and your project work and all. You have got immense time, a lot of time to get these things done in a proper way and be home and be safe and happy as well. So I have to add that happiness also. You just can't be home and being safe. You have to be happy within yourself also. You have to take care of yourself, your parents. We get into these mood swings being in one confined place. For you all it's like that, but for me it's okay because I have seen a lot parts like your parents. I have seen a lot of things in life and we have come through this and we know what is to sustain ourselves, how to sustain. But for you children, you are still kids, and for you to understand these things, you have to know about it. So you have to change your mood swings to other things to get yourself energized, to get yourself entertained. It's not only you get entertained by watching TV, it's not only you get entertained by playing PUBG or Free Fire on the mobile phone. Yes, your brain gets entertained, you want to play something. Why don't you go to the terrace and practice your taekwondo kicks and shots and punches? You will get energy, you will get sweat, you will sweat, you will feel hungry, you will gain muscle, you will gain strength. And plus you learn that activity which you used to learn, that martial art. You will be into practice with it. But if you don't have practice into it, you won't know what's going to happen. You think, oh, it's in our school, we have to learn. Our taekwondo sir will come, oh, he'll look at my face and give me the marks. It does not mean anything. Pandemic also does not mean anything, but it's meant a lot. It's made our life hell. So don't be too overconfident in life. So take things the way it comes and be happy with little things also. And because you don't know what's going to happen next. No one knows. It's very unpredictable. It's become like a cricket game. Our life has also become like a cricket game. We don't know what's going to happen next. So it's not that save and keep, we will live forever. No. Either we save today and suppose we saved up everything today and tomorrow we die. So who is going to finish that? So you have to live according to the present. Yes, saving is always there. You have to save up. We don't know if we are going to wake up tomorrow, but we do wake up sometimes. We do wake up. Now people are dying. Some film stars are also dying. People are going away. Unnatural deaths are happening. But some people who are also dying for natural death, they are put into this pandemic issue. People need an issue. Or because of pandemic he died. But he was supposed to die today only. So it's that. Believe in God. If you all do believe in God, I am not here to preach about God. I am just telling you, if you believe in God, prayers are very powerful. You must know how to say prayers. You don't have to learn. You don't have to be educated. You don't have to go to school for saying your prayers. You have to just pray by heart and ask, and you will get from God. And your God is your parents. So if you worship them, you are worshipping God. So it's there in front of you. You haven't seen God, it's not necessary. You see your parents, that's enough. They are your God. Wake up in the morning, go and see the first thing. Close your eyes and keep it. Go first thing, see your father's face or your mother's face. There's nothing greater than that. Education will also happen in its time. You will also work hard in your time. Blessings are going to come. God blesses everybody. You bow down to God saying that God please bless me. Who is going to bless you? Your parents' blessing is God's blessing. Because your parents were blessed by God, you came, and if they bless you, that means God is blessing you. God has got so many children around the whole world. How many times will he do this? So he's got representatives, and his representatives are your parents. God, for you, it's your parents. No one else can be your God except your parents. Okay? So we'll come back to, I hope I did not bore you guys. So we'll come back to your SSC, and we were on that place of socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. I had given some basic points of it, and we have come to that place where we look briefly into at some important political traditions of the 19th century, see how they influenced the change. Then we focus on one historical event in which there was an attempt at a radical transformation of the society through the revolution in Russia. Socialism became one of the most important and powerful ideas to shape the society in the 20th century. Socialism, I gave you a specific explanation of it. Now today we are going to do liberals, radicals and conservatives. Okay. What are liberals? First we have to know. I will not go with the book right now. Okay. I want to tell you what is the brief description of why did the social movement start in Europe. It started in the 19th century. This movement started as a protest against the injustice of the capitalist system in which the rich capitalists earned high profits, but workers had to live in poverty. The socialists were against private property and wanted to establish more equal human society, where everybody could share the benefits of economic growth. The socialist movement gained great support among workers who began to start this. Got my point? Basically, it started because of this. Whenever the common man is hit, there is a revolution takes place. Okay. Revolt. So don't underestimate a common man. Liberals. What are liberals? It's not about liberty, it's a plural. Liberal views about the relation of a citizen of a state. Liberal party, liberal democratic party, a concern of being liberty about the relation of a citizen. What is a liberal person? A liberal person shares a root with liberty and can mean anything from generous to loose to broad-minded. Politically, it means a person who believes in the government should be active in supporting social and political change. The freeness of supporting political and freeness in the state or in the political system, or rather we can say it while governing a political body. That is called liberal in that sense. Or else we can do, we won't be liberal in some parts of our, while ruling the government. There will be some, it can be partial at times. That is being a liberal person. Okay. Now, what does a liberal party believe in? That dignity of each individual and man and woman is the cardinal principle of democratic society. Every man and woman has to have a prime purpose of a political organization and activity in that society is called a liberal party. Liberal party. Got my point? And what is a liberal minded person? I told you already, who believes in that government should be active supporting for social and political change. And what is a liberal Republican? Liberal Republican is the party of the United States, was an American political party that organized to oppose the re-election of President Ulysses S. Grant and his radical Republican supporters in the presidential election 1872. That is liberal Republican. Now, are Republicans conservative, because the conservatives are there. Social policies of a Republican is the social conservative policies, although it does have a center of libertarian fractions. The social conservatives want laws that uphold the tradition values, such as opposition to same-sex marriage, abortion and marijuana. They don't want to do abortion, conservative people. Same-sex marriage and abortion they hate, and marijuana is drugs, ganja which you say. Conservative Republicans. What do you mean to be a conservative? It's a philosophy promoting tradition, social institutions in the context of culture and civilization. It means to be conservative. Conservatives seek to preserve a range of institutions such as religion, parliamentary government and property rights with the aim of emphasizing social stability and continuity. They are conservative. We want to conserve and keep it. Conservation of resources. We have to save and keep it. We have these, we have to save it and keep it. Got my point? This is conservatives. Now we come to radicals. In chemistry, it's a group of atoms. In chemistry, a radical is a group of atoms behaving as a unit in a number of compounds. Correct. Chemistry, it's a group of atoms behaving as a unit in a number of compounds is called a radical. Behaving as one unit in a number of compounds. Lot of compounds are there. He is that one unit who is behaving as a unit in a number of compounds. That one, all the compounds is making it one unit. A group of atoms behaving as a unit in a number of compounds. In all the atoms, all the compounds is taken as one unit in a group of atoms. But in radicals, a person who advocates thorough or complete political or social change, or a member of a political party or section of a party pursuing such aims. So he is that atom, a unit are the number of compounds. You are getting the logic? A person in a group of political and social change, in a group of atoms, behaving as one person in the full section of compound of the political party, trying to complete a political or social change, or a member of a political party section. Political party is lot of people, number of compounds. Intent to transform or replace in politics. Transfer or replace. Behaving as a unit. Am I right? Something which is extremist or very different from anything that has come before, it is called radical. A person who has extreme views, so that you could say that their views are different from the root up. From the root cause, it's different. They are going to bring a change. With that whole thing together, they are going to make that change. That is called radical. Same as chemistry. Okay. People sometimes think as same, extreme but radical. It comes from the Latin word radix, meaning root. It tries to give the thinking of what is the base, the root base thinking. So the root cause of any problem, don't we say root cause of problem, you are, that person is the root cause. We go down to the roots, to problem searching for their most basic principles and foundations. So we have to first look for the problem, then find the solution. So radical thinking is going down to 0.1 thinking is called radical thinking. From there coming in. Okay. Okay. Understood. This is what is called radicals. Now conservatives. What are conservatives? I'll come back in the next video.